Welcome to this review of Yardi Breeze, but first, we want to add a little context to the landscape. The world of property management is a multi-billion-dollar global industry, and that is in no small part due to the evolving relationship between real estate, technology, and consumer behavior. In the US, where approximately 23% of individuals opt for renting, the demand for top-tier property management software has seen a meteoric rise. In this market, two contenders, namely Yardi Breeze and DoorLoop, have emerged as leaders in the space, each bringing their unique set of offerings to the table. Welcome back, Loopers. It's Mohammed Abugosh with DoorLoop. Stick around to the end to see how you can get a discount on our software if you're interested. And now, let's get into Yardi Breeze. When you're evaluating any property management software, there are several key questions that you need to ask. And those might be, what's the cost? How user-friendly is it? Does it offer a comprehensive range of features? How does it compare to its competitors? In this comprehensive guide to Yardi Breeze, we'll delve deep into these questions and more to provide you with guidance during the crucial decision-making process. So first off, what is Yardi Breeze? Basically, it's a straightforward rental property software known for its user-friendliness and ease of learning. This software equips you with the tools and features needed to manage various types of rental properties, including residential, commercial, self-storage, manufactured housing, and affordable housing. It even includes tools to manage property associations. What's more, since Yardi Breeze is cloud-based, you can access and manage your properties from anywhere, seamlessly transitioning between computer, laptop, and smartphone. They also offer a web-based set of tools that can transform the way you handle properties and manage tasks. It helps you streamline the day-to-day and enhance your efficiency overall. But now let's dive a little bit deeper into the specifics of how this software can benefit your business. So why don't we take a look at some of the key features that you can expect to find with Yardi Breeze. And fortunately, the features that Yardi Breeze offers are very versatile and can help you in many ways. Some of the standout features include marketing and leasing. This feature simplifies the process of showcasing vacant properties on various listing sites and automates the tedious task of listing properties online. It also allows potential tenants to complete and submit applications online, which can save landlords and potential tenants a ton of time. It also helps out immensely with rent collection. Yardi Breeze facilitates the collection of rent payments from tenants, enabling property owners to monitor rent collection efficiently. Tenants can conveniently view their balances and make online rent payments through various methods, including debit cards, credit cards, and ACH transfers. Another useful feature is their accounting system. Yardi Breeze includes a robust accounting suite and helps you manage all financial aspects of your property. This suite covers payables, receivables, general ledger functions, and generates financial statements for rental properties, ensuring accuracy in your bookkeeping. Number 4 is their owner tools. Yardi Breeze offers tools designed to assist property owners and landlords. These tools simplify the onboarding process, provide calculators for financial analysis, and generate essential reports related to your rental properties. Reports can easily be analyzed within the software or shared with stakeholders. Number 5 is property maintenance. Yardi Breeze's property maintenance system allows tenants to submit maintenance requests online, which are then directed to property managers and landlords. This feature streamlines the maintenance process, allowing tenants to report issues, receive updates, and even make payments for maintenance work, all within the app. So now that you're familiar with some of Yardi Breeze's most notable features, let's dive into one of the most critical factors in choosing a property management software, which is the pricing. One distinctive aspect of Yardi Breeze's pricing is that it's based on the property type that you manage. So let's take a look at what that pricing looks like. When it comes to the residential properties plan, it starts at $1 per unit per month with a minimum monthly charge of $100. When it comes to their commercial properties plan, they're priced at $2 per unit per month with a minimum monthly charge of $200. And then when it comes to their other property types, such as affordable housing, you'll need to opt for the upgraded plan, Yardi Breeze Premier. Pricing for affordable housing, for example, starts at $3 per unit per month with a minimum monthly charge of $400 based on the annual agreement. With all that said, if you're not entirely convinced about Yardi Breeze and are exploring alternatives, then stick around because we've got one for you that offers a comprehensive feature set at an even more competitive price. Enter DoorLoop. DoorLoop is an all-in-one software solution that delivers exceptional value compared to other property management software options. Here are some of the standout services that you can expect if you switch to DoorLoop. The robust accounting suite. Manage all your property accounting in one place with the option for a QuickBooks integration if you want. A convenient tenant portal. Enable tenants to communicate with owners, pay rent, and handle other fees seamlessly. We also have leasing and marketing tools. You can automate property listings, accelerate tenant acquisition, and conduct tenant screenings as well. We also have some powerful maintenance request features. With that, you can streamline maintenance requests across all your properties from a single platform, complete with vendor management. And of course, we can't forget to mention our excellent customer support. You can benefit from around-the-clock customer support, including a live chat option to address any issues promptly. Now, when it comes to the pricing structure, DoorLoop starts at $49 per month for the first 20 units. We also offer a Pro and Premium plan for more advanced features. To get a deeper understanding of what DoorLoop offers, though, consider scheduling a free demo at the link below. To wrap everything up, selecting the right property management software can be a daunting yet highly rewarding task. And by now, you've gained insights into Yardi and how it stacks up against its competitors. And we have to admit that it clearly is a very strong choice. But if you think that DoorLoop might be the right fit for you instead, then click the link below to schedule your free demo with our account executives. They'll get to know what your specific needs are and show you everything that we have to offer in greater detail. Plus, if you click that link, you stand a chance to receive a limited time discount that we're offering as well. But whatever you decide to do, we hope you found this video helpful. Keep it tuned in to DoorLoop for all things property management. We'll see you soon, Loopers.